Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Microsoft Edge Administrator Mode detected error. First method is right-click shortcut, click Open File Location. Right-click click Properties. Click Compatibility tab. Check Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply, OK. Second method is type UAC in Windows search bar. Click OK. Click Yes to continue. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.